Los Angeles, the city of angels, is a vibrant mix of sunshine, culture, and endless adventure. From golden beaches to world-famous landmarks, this city offers something for everyone. You can explore beautiful coastline views, stroll along palm-lined streets, and enjoy stunning sunsets that paint the sky in warm colors. Los Angeles is home to incredible art, music, and food scenes, making it a paradise for creativity and flavors. Whether you love movies, shopping, nature, or nightlife, this city will capture your heart. Get ready to discover iconic sights and hidden gems in one of the most exciting cities in the world. Griffith Observatory sits high on the slopes of Mount Hollywood, offering one of the best views of Los Angeles. It is a place where science meets beauty, with fascinating space exhibits, giant telescopes, and breathtaking panoramas of the city and the Hollywood sign. Visitors can gaze at the stars, explore the mysteries of the universe, and watch the city lights sparkle after sunset. The surrounding park has peaceful trails, making it perfect for both learning and relaxing in nature. This landmark inspires curiosity and wonder for all ages. The Getty Center is a masterpiece of art, architecture, and gardens. Perched on a hilltop, it offers sweeping views of Los Angeles and the Pacific Ocean. Inside, you can explore world-class collections of paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts from many eras. The building itself is a work of art, with clean lines, bright stone walls, and open courtyards filled with light. The central garden is a peaceful escape, with winding paths, colorful flowers, and a gentle stream. A visit here blends culture, beauty, and inspiration in one unforgettable place. Santa Monica Pier is a lively spot where ocean views meet classic seaside fun. This historic pier stretches into the Pacific Ocean and is home to an amusement park with a colorful Ferris wheel, a roller coaster, and family-friendly games. Visitors can enjoy fresh seafood, street performances, and stunning sunsets over the water. The pier is also a gateway to the sandy beaches of Santa Monica, perfect for relaxing or taking a stroll along the shoreline. It is a vibrant mix of nostalgia, entertainment, and coastal charm. Venice Beach Boardwalk is a colorful stretch of oceanfront energy where creativity and culture come alive. Street performers, artists, and musicians fill the walkway with sights and sounds that are uniquely Los Angeles. You can browse quirky shops, watch skilled skateboarders and basketball players, or simply enjoy the fresh sea breeze. Murals cover walls in bold colors, adding to the artistic vibe. With sandy beaches on one side and lively street life on the other, Venice Beach Boardwalk is a place where the city's free spirit shines brightest. The Hollywood sign is one of the most famous symbols in the world, perched high in the Hollywood Hills. It represents the glamour and history of the entertainment industry. Visitors can see it from many spots in Los Angeles, but hiking nearby trails offers closer views and beautiful scenery. The sign's white letters stand boldly against the hillside, making it a perfect photo backdrop. Beyond its visual appeal, it is a reminder of dreams, ambition, and the magic of the movies that have shaped the city's identity. Grand Central Market is a bustling food hall in the heart of downtown Los Angeles, bringing together flavors from around the world. Since the early 1900s, it has been a gathering place for locals and visitors to enjoy everything from fresh produce to gourmet dishes. The market is filled with tempting aromas, colorful food stalls, and a lively atmosphere. You can taste authentic tacos, fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and sweet desserts, all under one roof. It is a true celebration of the city's rich and diverse food culture. The Miracle Mile area is home to some of the best museums in Los Angeles, offering art, history, and culture all in one stretch. Here, you can explore the Los Angeles County Museum of Art with its famous urban light installation. Dive into prehistoric wonders at the La Brea Tar Pits and Museum, or enjoy contemporary works at nearby galleries. Wide sidewalks and palm trees make it a pleasant place to walk between attractions. This cultural hub blends education, creativity, and beauty, making it a must-visit destination for curious minds. The Broad is a striking contemporary art museum in downtown Los Angeles, known for its bold honeycomb-like exterior and free admission. Inside, it houses an impressive collection of modern works, including pieces by Andy Warhol, Jeff Koons, and Yayoi Kusama. Visitors can experience large-scale installations, colorful pop art, and thought-provoking contemporary creations. The museum's bright, open spaces make the art feel alive and engaging. It is a place where creativity and imagination take center stage, inspiring visitors of all ages. Alvera Street is the historic heart of Los Angeles, filled with the colors, sounds, and flavors of Mexican culture. Cobblestone paths lead past vibrant stalls selling handmade crafts, leather goods, and traditional clothing. The air is rich with the aroma of fresh tortillas and savory street food. Mariachi music and folk performances bring the street to life, creating a festive atmosphere. As part of the oldest section of the city, Alvera Street offers a glimpse into the past while celebrating traditions that still thrive today. Union Station is a stunning blend of history and architecture, serving as the main transportation hub of Los Angeles. Built in the 1930s, it combines Spanish colonial, Art Deco, and Mission Revival styles, creating a warm and elegant atmosphere. Inside, you will find soaring ceilings, decorative tile work, and grand waiting rooms filled with natural light. Beyond its beauty, Union Station connects travelers to trains, buses, and the city's metro system, making it both a functional gateway and a beloved landmark in the heart of downtown.